Welcome dear students. In the next video lesson, we are going to learn about what is a retail trade. Retail trade is the second concept from the chapter internal trade. So in wholesale trade, goods are sold by collecting from the producers in large quantity. And in a retail trade, we have to learn about the concept of retail trade. In retail trade, goods are sold in small quantity to the consumers. The term retailer is derived from French word retail, which means to cut. Retail means to cut. And a retailer is the person who buys goods in large quantity from wholesaler or manufacturer and selling them it to the consumers by cutting them into small quantity. And the person is the last chain in the channel of distribution who is selling product to the consumers. So retailer is the last person who is selling the middleman in the distribution of product from producer to the consumer. So we have to learn what are the characteristics of a retailer. A retailer is the last link in the chain of distribution. As I said, he is the last middleman in the chain of distribution of goods and services. And retailer sells them to ultimate consumers. A retailer sells the goods and distribute the services to the ultimate consumers. He or she act as a connecting link between the wholesaler and the consumers. Whenever there is information needed, a retailer helps to collect it from the consumer and shares it to wholesalers and the producers. Retailer deals in a wide variety of products or goods collected from different manufacturers and wholesalers. And thus, the role of retail business is very important in the marketing of goods and services from producer to consumers. So these are the simple characteristics of retail trade. We have to learn more about the functions of retailer. First one is his choice of goods. Every time the retailer provides to the consumer a wide variety of products produced by different manufacturers. So the choice of goods is one of the function provided by retailer to the consumer. Provides opportunity for selecting wide variety of products. Then every time retailer makes a ready stock, a ready availability of products, and it helps for the uninterrupted supply of goods to the consumers. Retailer stores necessary product and it helps for the smooth distribution of products. And whenever the consumer needs more information about the market, retailer helps to provide. Also, whenever the wholesaler and manufacturer demands about the customer's taste and preference, retailer helps for the easy supply of transfer of information from consumer to the producer and wholesaler. And financing is the another function. Every time they meet the cost of goods purchased, storage, transportation, etc. So financing is another function given by the retailer. Then advertising. Every time the retailer undertakes maximum promotional activities for the different products by the different producer. And transportation is another function. The retailers every time arrange for the transportation of goods and services from the producer to the consumer. They also help for the smooth distribution of goods and services from producers to consumers. Another function of a retailer. So remember all the functions of a retailer to the different parties. We have to learn more about the services of retailers to the different interested parties. So the services of retailers include services to wholesalers and producers and to the consumers. The services of retailers to producers and consumers include: first one, every time retailers provides a ready market, an active live market for selling the product of producers and wholesalers. So, timely transfer of product to the market is possible with the support of retailers. And retailers helps for collecting and transferring present trend, market information about the product to the wholesalers and the producers. Provides what is the demand for the product, information related to demand for the product, consumers' taste and preference, etc. They are also helps for bearing the risk that may happen to the producers and wholesalers. They are also taking a part in the loss that may happen in future. And it helps retailers helps for the distribution of goods to different localities, different distinct places apart scattered over the different areas, maybe rural or urban, whatever. So these are all the services provided by retailers to the producers and wholesalers. And the services of retailers to consumers include: they provides opportunity for choice, selection of goods, variety of goods of different producers, and whenever they demand goods, retailers provides for the ready availability of product from wholesaler or producer to the ultimate consumers. And retailers gives maximum information related to the present product in the market or upcoming product to the market and how to use the product. So they provide the service like consumer education. Also, retailers provides goods in credit to the consumers. Every time they are providing maximum assistance in buying products in different payment method and transportation by providing transportation facilities. They are also providing door-to-door delivery and after-sales services to the consumers. Whenever nowadays you know very well, online platforms are available. As per the order, they are delivering products at the door of the consumers. And also, they are providing after sales services, repairing or mutually transferring the product from the producer to the consumer. So lot of services they are providing, how to use the product, how to install the product. So lots of services they are providing. So these are the services by retailer to the consumer. So don't forget to remember all these areas. So these are the concepts related to who is a retailer, what are the different characteristics of a retailer, what are the different functions of retailer, and what are the different services given by retailer to producer and consumer and to the manufacturers, wholesalers and consumers. So don't forget to learn all these concepts. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share with your friends and to learn and develop your own concept by watching the video again and again. Thank you for watching. Thank you.